Hi and welcome to the next video. Today I would like to show you two new plugins, one from G-Sonique and one from Aplex 7 DSP. And basically both of those plugins are dedicated to Psytrance and especially Darkpsy music. So let's start the presentation. Okay, so here we are. As usually, I have prepared a sequence. So let's have a listen to the kick and bass line, percussion and noises and crashes, reverse. Yeah. Yeah, like a classic Darkpsy groove with some driving percussion. Okay, and as you can see in the rest of the project, I do have two parts. Now the first part, done by Aplex 7 FM Super Resonator, it's responsible for the lead section. And the other part, done by Darkpsy 466, is responsible for background atmospheric voices, pads, textures. Yeah. So let's have a look at Aplex 7. And the name of the plugin is Psychedelic FM Super Resonator. Yeah, it sounds very super resonating. And actually, this plugin is a very easy to use synthesizer. It has pre-crafted presets, so you have like a bunch of already good presets, but we have some basic controls as well, like the amplitude envelope, filter envelope. We have two oscillators. We have like a small LFO section here. We have a ping pong delay and a filter and resonance. But there is also a function which is called the FM Super Resonance, which basically stands for the FM modulation, the amount of FM modulation. And we also have these two bars here where you can add extra harmonics to your sound. So these are two nice features, especially when you're crafting a good metallic sounding lead. It's very good for Darkpsy and for example, high-tech genres. So let's have a listen to how it sounds. Okay, now let's get a little bit of this FM Super Resonator. Yeah, so you can hear how the texture of the sound changes while adding more or less of an FM synthesis. Now you also have this bar here where you can add extra harmonics. So basically you can also shape the sound a little bit here. So as I said before, there are some presets here, but this is how I use this plugin in my project. And it's responsible for the lead section, as I said before. Let's listen to this section. Yeah, so that's how it sounds. I think it sounds pretty cool. And the other part of the project is done by Darkpsy 466 FX, sorry. Yeah, and this is kind of plugin that has also already pre-crafted presets here, and you get just the very basic controls here. So I use this plugin because some of those presets have a very good texture, but I pushed them through a very long reverb. Sorry, where is it? It's right here. and I set the reverb for 10 seconds. So I used some of those sounds to create this background atmospheres. Alright, so those textures are going through a very long reverb, and this is how I use those two plugins in my project. Aplex 7 Super Resonator for leads, and the Darkpsy FX466 for these background atmospheres. Now, this is how it all sounds together. Yeah, so this is it. And what I can say, to be honest, I prefer creating my sounds from a very basics. I use always the basic oscillators to create my own sounds, but these plugins actually they are a very good solution for people or producers who don't have like countless of hours free to create their own sounds, or they are simply beginners and don't want to study a lot, a very difficult sound synthesis. So this is a very good solution for people like this. And I highly recommend to check those plugins. So visit G-Sonique.com and Aplex 7 DSP and see it for yourself. That's it from me. I hope you liked this video. Have a good day. Peace!